At I Love Me Enterprises, we know young women in residential care faces challenges that go far beyond academics. They need self-awareness, emotional intelligence, and life skills that prepare them for independence and success. That is why we created the Habits of a Queen 8-week etiquette training program. In 8 short weeks, we will cover everything from decision-making, communication, body language, and transforming the past into success, to stress management, conflict resolution, and dining etiquette. What makes it truly powerful is that the residents don't just hear the lessons, they connect with real-life examples of transformation from instructors who've walked the journey themselves. By bringing Habits of a Queen to your residents, you give them the confidence, skills, and vision to build a brighter future. Let's partner to help them step boldly into what's next with poise, resilience, and grace. Your investment into their growth is an investment into stronger families, stronger communities, and stronger futures. Let's build a lasting legacy together.